Every great website needs answers. The SnobBots FAQ generator transforms your existing web pages into SEO-ready FAQs in seconds. Meet the SnobBots FAQ generator, the AI tool that turns your website pages into search-friendly FAQs in seconds. Built directly inside your SnobBots dashboard to boost SEO performance. Paste your website link. SnobBots scans your content, detects key topics, and automatically generates structured FAQs, optimized for visibility on every page. View, edit, or regenerate your FAQs, all within your SnobBots dashboard. Track token usage, fine-tune responses, and keep your SEO strategy sharp. Your content becomes more visible, more relevant, and more engaging instantly. With structured data built in, your FAQs drive higher rankings and stronger traffic that converts. SnobBots FAQ generator, turning questions into visibility and visibility into growth. Start generating yours today.